Good evening, this is Jan. I'm in my kitchen and tonight I'm gonna cook shrimps with spaghetti. Now here I got some beautiful shrimps which I'm gonna season with spices and herbs. I'm gonna start with black pepper. Then some Cajun pepper for extra spice. Thyme, which is very fragrant, very Mediterranean. A little bit of basil as well. Plus lemongrass for an Asian touch. I'm gonna stir it with my hands. And make sure that all the herbs and the spices are everywhere around the shrimps. I'm gonna transfer the shrimps to the fridge and I will keep them here for at least 1/2 hour. The herbs and the spices will have time to get into the shrimps and provide much more flavor. Meanwhile, I will be preparing the vegetables. Shallots and celery, very basic aromatics. I sliced them up not too small because I want to get structure from these vegetables. And then of course there's garlic, which I sliced up very thoroughly. Last but not least, cherry tomatoes for extra flavor. In a hot pan with olive oil, first I put of course the shallots. When the shallots have become slightly brown, you put in the celery. Put some black pepper in there with the onions and the celery. Lots of black pepper actually. Garlic goes in. Be careful not to burn your garlic. You can add a little bit of water. And I will add the tomatoes at this point. I'm adding some wine. This is a Spanish one. The wine and the tomatoes will make a rich sauce for the spaghetti. I will put a little bit of extra thyme. And some oregano. Water is boiling, so the spaghetti goes in. The main star of the dish goes in. Shrimps. Spaghetti is doing alright. Put some pasta water and with the sauce, with the shrimps. Well, the sauce and the shrimps, they look okay to me, so I'm gonna add the spaghetti to them. I'm gonna stir quite a bit. Make all the sauce and the pasta blend into one dish. Some more olive oil, extra virgin, to make it more creamy. And then it's time to enjoy the meal. Shrimp spaghetti. The herbs and the spices have entered these shrimps, so they get much more flavor than they have from their own. Plus, I didn't cook them for too long. You never should cook them for more than 3 minutes, because then they stay crispy, they stay fresh and taste, you know, that's good. Spaghetti cooked al dente, that means it still has the bite, which it should have really. Very simple, very easy, very tasty. Now that is a nice combination. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.